Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful day. We are having some sunshine prior to another storm, but we are going to move right along and pray everything goes well. Today I have a package that has been sent to me by Shewin, and Elk so kindly and graciously sent me 5 items that I picked out, and he is also graciously offering a discount with Russel 10, Russell 10, will save you $10 on orders over $99. This is a wholesale company. I'm going to say it like that because you can buy retail, and if you're not a wholesaler, you will be eligible for that coupon and you will be able to shop as well. But today's video is going to be focused and directed toward drop shipping. Shewin is a company that drop ships, meaning that if you have an entrepreneurial spirit and want to start your own business where you can drop ship sales and you don't have to keep inventory, this could be the perfect top business for you and the perfect top partner that you'd want to partner up with. And or if you already have a store online and you drop ship already, then this could just be something that you could add to your line and make money. I mean, like, that's the name of the game. It's a retail business where you can drop ship your orders. And Shewin is a wonderful company to do that, and they have sent over information to me about the drop shipping. It is a fulfillment method where the store doesn't have to keep the products, and that's really big. If you've ever been in business or if you've seen stores, like when you walk into retail, they have to keep account for every piece of inventory that's in their store. Not only do they have to keep account of it, they also have to pay taxes on it as if it was cash, meaning if you have an inventory line that's valued at $20,000, you have to pay tax based on like it was income, that it's sitting there, because it's kind of like cash sitting there ready to be sold, and you have to report that. So with a drop ship company, you don't have to have the inventory sitting there on the floor. You can have it online and instead have third parties purchase from you on your online store and then have it drop shipped to them personally. And it requires minimal upfront investment. Drop shipping allows retailers to offer a wide variety of products without having to manage inventory, and that's what I was just talking about, and the risk of unsold inventory, because what happens if you can't sell your inventory and the season has gone out? Well, a lot of times you see a lot of great fire sales, which benefits customers like myself and consumers that want to catch a sale, but it's very difficult sometimes on the store owners. So it is another challenge to have to deal with that. And then the other challenge is fulfilling, find and reliable suppliers that you can manage and work with and feel confident in. And despite the challenges, have somebody that can be there so that you have a profitable venture and have it done correctly. And that's what Shewin is offering for you, and I think that's a great thing. And they sent me several items here to show you, and they do have an official site at Shewin Official, and I'll be having all their links and even links to the outfits that I've picked out down in the description. And we will be going through these one by one, and I will tell you a little bit about each one. I got to go on there and order, and I was real happy about that, so I could pick what I wanted and get the size that I needed. And of course, I'm hoping I've got the right size. The package took about 2 weeks to get here, I think. So keep that in mind if you're ordering this for yourself and or if you're ordering it for your store, because some people may actually have a physical store and want to have the wholesale items inside their store. So keep that in mind as well. And if you're drop shipping, you want to keep that in mind for your customers on how long it may take. The first thing that I am going to pull up here is something bright and pretty. Isn't that pretty? This is a summer top, and it's called the Rose Paisley Print Boho Ruffle Hem Sleeve Shirt. And if I didn't mention it, I will be trying these on for you. So We'll see how they look on, but isn't that pretty? I love that bright pink. Oh, I just love that with a little bit of orange and the different blues in it. That is just pretty. And of course, I got an XL, and their size might be considered a 12. So that is what I got, and that is my first item. And guys, right now this runs $7.92, and that is with a 10% that's already going on. So if you order over $99, you would get another 10% off. But isn't that just really, really cute? I love that. It's got the ruffle sleeves and the V-neck. I can't wait to try that on. So that was my first item. The second item I chose was this leopard print. I guess you could say loungewear. I thought it was really pretty when I seen it. And it may be a little bit too warm right now for me to wear it here in Texas. But on those cool days, it's going to be perfect. And let me tell you a little bit about it. This is called the Leopard long sleeve slit top and pants loungewear. It runs $13.47, and I will tell you right now at the time of my video, this has sold out. And it's really cute though, so I want to show y'all so you can get an idea, because some of these things may come back, in stock. And if they do, well then you'll want to know about it. And they might give you a signal, like send you an email that it's available. But this is a long sleeve loungewear, very comfy, and it has a pair of pants to go with it. And it's loungewear, and some people, you might wear your loungewear to the dollar store or something. I don't know. Everybody's different on how they wear their lounge clothes, but this would be really great for just being around the house. And I love the color. I thought it was black, but it's actually kind of like a blue-gray color with the leopard print. So I really like that. That's very, very nice. And the fabric is probably polyester. Let me see if I can find it. It's got a pocket on here. Did I show you that? It does have a pocket that's right there. And let me see if I can find out what it's made out of. It says I actually got a large in this, and it's 95% polyester and 5% elastane. And of course it's just going to be kind of a wash and dry, I think. Yeah, machine wash. So that's good. And then back to this shirt here. Let me tell you what it's made out of. This one here is made out of 95% polyester and 5% elastane. And it too is a large. So I guess their 12 was a large, because that's what I ordered. I ordered in the 12 category. So I sure hope I ordered correctly, and we'll find out. The next item that I picked out was this white shirt, and it is very, very cute. It has kind of like cap sleeves, I believe. Yeah, there we go. And it's kind of like, I don't know, do you call that embroidered look? Or do you call that a lacy look arm, and it has a band around the sleeve? Let me see if they give us any detail on this. It's a white Pointelle lace sleeve, so it is lace, and it's loose around the neck, it says. And it's a T, and again, I'm assuming I got it in a 12, which would be their large. And I did look at their sizes and went by what it said. So this is a 95% cotton and 5% elastane. So everything seems to be made out of that. It's not gathered at the bottom. It is just a straight hem down at the bottom. Very, very cute. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's see my next item. To kind of go with that and the blouse, the little pink and blue bright colors, I got a pair of jeans, and these are lightweight distressed ribbed denim Bermuda shorts for $13.65. And I don't know if I told you the cost of the white blouse. It was $6.94, just in case you want to know. And again, these links will be down in my description for you to look at and head on over there. But these are some denim jeans, and these are blue jeans with a little bit of give, which I'm thankful for. This pair runs $13.65, and as you can see, it's distressed. And y'all know I do like my distressed jeans I think they're really cool looking, and it's kind of funny, but you know, because you think you're buying, you're paying for holes in your pants, but I like it, and that's very popular too. And I was gonna see what it is made out of, but I don't see a tag in here. Ah, here it is. This here is 75 cotton, 25% polyester, and 1% spandex. And this I got a size 14, so we'll see how that goes. And then the last item that I picked out that I thought was very, very pretty in the picture and different, and something that I may, you know, I don't usually wear, was a white abstract print V-neck ruffle maxi dress. And this is white and black is the colors that I would say it's in. And you've got ruffled sleeves up at the top and off to the edge, so it's very elegant, very feminine looking, and it's very flowy. And it's got the bodice right here, I guess, where it gathers just a little bit here for like another ruffly effect with the long dress hanging down for the maxi. So that was very pretty, and I like abstract type arts, and I thought that would be very nice. And that runs $16.99. So you can see already that the pricing is excellent and great buys. And if you are retailing it, I'm not sure what your retail price. I don't know if this is your wholesale price or your retail price. I just know that's the price that they're advertising right now, and that is something that you would have to go on and discuss with them. But as a buyer, if one of you that are on here that just likes some of the things that you see, you can go on and purchase directly, and you can use that Russel 10 on your purchase if it's over $99. So let me go try these on, and I'll be right back. Okay. The first item I decided to put on was the loungewear, and it is doable. I mean, it fits me. I would say that for me personally, I probably should have went up a size so that it would be more roomy, but it is something that I can wear, and it fits, and I'm so happy about that. It's very comfortable. It's very soft. And the sleeves go just to the right length, which I'm really surprised because a lot of times my sleeves come way down. And the top of the pants, they fit. They have pockets on the side, which I love the fact that they have some pockets. That is really cool. And then, of course, it's elastic all the way around, so you can see how they fit there. And then, of course, this just drops right on down. So it feels really good, though. I guess it's a soft type of polyester with that elastin in there. So very comfortable. So it's going to give with you. So that's good to know, too. And, of course, this could be, if you wanted to dress it up to go out, you could put a belt with it or something and probably look really cool. So this was my first outfit. I'll be right back. Hey guys, since I mentioned you could throw a belt with it and dress it up, I thought I would show it to you real quick, because you could just throw a belt with it and dress it up just a little bit and be out, maybe going to the grocery store or maybe somewhere else if you want to head out the door and just be a little dressed up with your lounge outfit. Okay, this is the dress. And I think it looks really, really good. It goes all the way down to the floor. I've got some white shoes on with it. Just kind of casual, but you could dress it up with a higher pair of shoes. And I love it. I think this is great. And in the picture, when I was shopping for things, the lady in their thing had on a straw hat. And it just looked so cute together. And she even had like a straw purse that she was carrying on the side. So just to kind of give you an idea how you could jazz this up a little bit, and it would be like beachy and, or I don't know, very stylish and elegant, and I really liked it, and it does fit. So it is a wonderful dress. It doesn't have any pockets. It does have a slip, and I'll show that to you. So you do have a slip underneath there. You don't have to be worrying about see-through. Now for me personally, it's a little bit low here, but I could always put like a little like one of those little t-shirt or something like that underneath here if I wanted to, but I really think this is cute. So let me know what you think. It's very flowy, very comfortable, very stylish. Yeah. Okay, now this is the white tee and the blue jeans, and they fit, so I'm glad I got that size. They're very comfortable. I even have room. I don't know, maybe I'll show it to you that way, but I have expansion room, so that's good to know. And then, like I said, I like the distress, and this here is the white top that I picked out that had the lace sleeves. So very, very cute with this, and I was thinking it would go really nice, and then I got some white shoes to go on with it. So very, very nice. Now I have one more to try on, and it's that real colorful shirt, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this is the pink flowery top. Isn't it cute? And it's real comfortable, and it fits. This was a 12, so it was in there large, and it goes well with the jeans. And I changed shoes. I have on some navy blue shoes to go with it, to be out on the town, and are going shopping, or just going to somebody's house for a visit or a party, or just hanging out at your own house. But I really like it, so I like the styles that I picked out. What do you think? Did you like them? I really like this pink shirt, and the blue, the pop of orange in there. This is just really colorful. And you know what? I have a palette that would probably really bring these colors out on my eyes, and I'll have to try that out sometime. But guys, that is my Shewin, and I'm extremely pleased with the quality. And then even in the sizing, when they give you a size chart, you can click on that, and it'll be very specific on measurements. So you can measure according to your own measurements, so to speak, and then get as close as you can to your size. And I would say that my size has worked out great on this particular haul. The only thing that would have probably been better for me as far as my own preference was the leopard lounge outfit, but it still fit, and it was comfortable, and it wasn't too tight. So I mean, it was snug as far as a snug look, and if you like that kind of look, well then it would be right up your alley, so to speak. But I still liked it, and I can still wear it, and of course, a few pounds down and it will even look better probably. But that is what I have today for Shewin, and Elk is my contact, and he is the one that sent all this over to me for review, and to show you as a drop shipper that you can pick out, or your customer that comes on to your online store could pick out lots of stylish things at a very affordable pricing and have it shipped directly to their home, and you do not have to keep the inventory in your store, which is a huge benefit, and they work with you very closely to help you be a success. So you have to have that cohesive partnership. They're going to be right there with you. They're going to help you with everything and guide you and help you. That's the main thing. It's in both interests of both parties. And any other details will be down in my description. And of course, you would be able to contact them if you're interested in using them in your dropship business, or if you're interested in starting your own dropship business. So it can be profitable and beneficial to all concerned. But as for today and Shewin, I want to thank Elk again for sending these over to me, and for providing a discount code for all of you out there, whether you are a wholesale buyer or if you're buying retail individually. You can use that code and my link down in the description, and it will just get you right on over there. But as for today and Shewin, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.